How to change contact details in Xero. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can change your contact details in Xero. Now, how do you get about this? The first thing to do, of course, is to log in into your Xero account. Once you're logged in into your Xero account, you will see your dashboard, right? And then by the right side of the screen, the top right corner of the screen, you'll see your profile image. Sorry, your profile image. Just click on it. Once you click on it, a box would be displayed. That is, a menu will be displayed asking for showing your name and then edit profile, then account. Just go ahead and click on edit profile. Once you click on that, you'll be redirected to your profile page. On this profile page, you would see your profile settings, and you'll see your name. You would see basic information asking you to upload image, job title, whatever, location, and then you'll see contact details, right? And currently this is the phone number I'm using. If I want to edit it, I just need to click on the box this way and then cancel this and type in the number I want to type in. And then if I want to change my area, I'll just type it in this way. Then my country, I can just put it in this way. And once I am done, just go ahead and click on save, and then automatically my contact details on Xero would be changed. So this is how to change your contact details in Xero. Very quick and easy. Just go ahead, click on your profile image, come to your profile settings, scroll down to contact details, input your number, area, country, website. You can even decide to add contact field if you want to. Then after that, click on save. That is how you can change contact details in Xero. Thanks for watching.